One of the top questions that I get asked time and time again is which pot is the most important for any new eco printer who would like to work without traditional powdered mordants. So if this is you and you're interested in being environmentally mindful and health conscious, I recommend that you start with an aluminium, or you may say aluminum pot. The reason for this is the aluminium pot mimics to a degree working with either potassium alum sulfate or alum acetate, and it helps make your prints significantly more light and color fast. It doesn't make them too dark. And it's the pot that I use the most often when I am teaching, and in fact, most regularly in my own work in the studio. Now, my favorite pot is actually a cast iron pot, but that tends to sadden the colors, and the colors will be more intense and darker. And not everybody likes this as much as the aluminium. So for that reason, I highly recommend aluminium. But if you have a cast iron pot, that's good to work with too. Now, another reactive pot that many people like, but not so many people use, is copper. And I do have quite a number of old vintage copper pots here that I have been collecting, but I don't find them as useful at all as aluminium or cast iron, because copper itself is a much more slower reacting mordant. So when you are working in the dirty pot and using the pot as your mordant, the colors that you achieve from copper are very much softer, nothing like as strong when you're working without the traditional powders. And I find that much vegetation doesn't give me good prints at all. So I highly recommend an aluminium pot to start with.